Y.T.W arm raises, incline bench, single arm. Y.T.W arm raises are an excellent shoulder prehab exercise that targets the muscles on the back of the shoulder to build stability and structural balance in the shoulder joint. Here's how to perform them. Start by setting your bench to an incline of around 35 to 45 degrees. The lower the angle, the more challenging the exercise becomes. Lie prone on the bench with your feet on the floor for stability. Hold a dumbbell in one hand and use the opposite hand to grip the bench for support. Y raises. To initiate the Y raise, start by retracting and depressing the shoulder. Pull your shoulder blade back and down by contracting the muscles of your upper back. Keep those muscles engaged as you lift the arm up and forward at roughly a 45-degree angle away from the torso. From behind, this would resemble a Y shape. As you raise the arm, externally rotate the shoulder so your thumb points towards the ceiling. This helps to activate the lower trapezius and creates a stronger contraction. From a side view, the goal is to lift the arm so it finishes just above the ear, but your range of motion will depend on your shoulder flexibility and strength. Once at the top, slowly lower the arm back down to the starting position, allowing the shoulder to relax and protract. Next is the T raises. Once again, begin by retracting and depressing the shoulder blade. Then, lift the arm out to the side, aiming for a position between the shoulder and the ear. From behind, this resembles a T shape. As you lift, keep the palm facing down towards the floor and focus on pulling the shoulder blade in towards your spine at the top of the raise. This variation targets the mid-traps, rhomboids, and rear delts. Slowly return to the starting position with the shoulder relaxed and protracted. The final movement is the W raise. Start by raising the upper arm out to the side in a T position. This time, bend the elbow to 90 degrees. Once the elbow is level with the shoulder, externally rotate the arm within the shoulder capsule to lift the forearm as high as possible, creating a W shape. It's important to keep the elbow fixed in space and maintain the 90-degree elbow bend throughout the lift. Once at the top, internally rotate the shoulder to return the forearm to a position perpendicular to the bench. You might be wondering how many reps and sets to do and in what order. A simple and effective method is 3 sets of 6 plus 6 plus 6. That's 6 Y raises, followed by 6 T raises, followed by 6 W raises on one arm, then switch sides. That's 18 reps per arm per set. Another method is 3 sets of 6 times 1 plus 1 plus 1. This means you perform 1 Y, then 1 T, then 1 W, and repeat the sequence 6 times on one side before switching arms. Again, that's a total of 18 reps per arm per set. Both options are great and will help develop strength, stability, and structural balance in the shoulders. Give it a try and see how you go. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.